Alrighty guys, what is up guys? In today's video we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to start saying that from every video because I just say that a lot. Like in every video I say, hey guys, what's up? In today's video we're going to be doing something a little different. Like, so I'm just going to start saying that. I feel like, I don't know if people say that a lot, but I just say that every time because I feel like every video I do is like a little different because I'm trying to test some waters, and it's cold out, so there's not really much shit to do except to kind of work on this stuff. So kind of good I got a truck and doing the trading up from a Grom to a truck, Grom to a Pan America challenge. So yeah, so now we traded the Grom for this truck, and then I just moved the trucks around. So now we're gonna wash both of the trucks to outside, and then next video I'm probably going to wash the inside. Just trying to clean her up a bit. And then we have a nice day, and my truck has salt all over it, so I just want to get some of the dirt off of it, so keep some of the rust down, even though she's an old truck. I'm trying to clean her up, not trying to just say fuck it and let her rust. I'm trying to clean her up, so by doing that I need to try and keep some of the rust off so it doesn't fuck it up even more, the rust. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean both of these trucks up and then call it for this video, which sounds like pretty easy, but it's gonna, I mean, cleaning the outside of this is gonna be pretty easy, but like my truck I feel like might be a pain in the ass because there's some salt and stuff and snow built up from like drifting around and stuff, and then the bed of this truck is like filled with like caked with dirt on the bottom, so it's gonna be a little fun. But that being said, I'm probably gonna show you guys really quick and then we'll hop in because I'm just moving the cars around. This truck isn't too bad, should clean up pretty easy, but like I said, the bed's gonna be the little problem, not really too much though. But then my truck is just dirty as fuck, but we should be able to clean that up pretty good. So I'm gonna throw a GoPro on my head and then just start getting into this. guys, it's actually the next day. I filmed the outro and I messed it up. I put it in time lapse, so it was all messed up, but we got the trucks all clean. Even the daily. And then what was I gonna say? Yeah, so we got the trucks all clean. And then next video, I'm gonna be taking off the rack, taking off all the stickers, seeing if I like it without the rack, and then if not, in the video after that, we'll be painting the rack and putting it back on. And then I'm also gonna be swapping the taillights, so we'll have some stuff to do. And then yeah, and then in another video, I want to paint the rims black because they're fucked. And then so in the next video, I'm just saying, guys, stay tuned. I know you guys don't really like these videos, but we have a lot to do. Like, there's gonna be a lot of videos coming out, so I'm gonna be consistent every other day. Videos are coming out for like a while, probably until it starts getting warm, and then we're going back to the riding videos that you guys like next video is gonna be swapping the taillights on my truck with these ones and taking the rack off and taking all the stickers off. Video after that, if I want to put the rack on, painting it and then putting it back on. But if not, then the next video is going to be clean the interior of both the trucks. Then video after that, clean the engine bay. Then video after that, clean the rims. Then we just have so much, like, there's going to be so many videos coming out about these truck stuff. So if you like it, stay tuned, or if not, just, I don't really know what to say, just stay tuned until summertime, because in a couple months, because once it gets summertime, we're going to be out in downtown New Haven every day on the bikes. There's going to be bangers coming out, parties, like Puerto Rican parades, all these stuff. It's going to be lit, so stay tuned for the summer, guys. Just hold in with these truck videos and stuff, and then it'll be lit in the summer. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video, where we are going to be swapping the taillights and then taking off this rack on this truck. So I love you guys. Peace. Deuces.